Man makes a power bank able to charge 5,000 smartphones. What a monster.
It's like hauling it around.
It looks like a car battery in an electric car. That's how, maybe even bigger, actually. And yet he hauls it like as if it's a wheelbarrow or something with a rope.
That's how he gets around now.
But why does
he has his phone all charged?
Well, now I have the whole explanation. I have everything I need in the first word of the article to understand.
Oh, yeah.
YouTuber Handy Gang noticed. Well, for YouTube, I get it. For YouTube, I get it. He noticed that all his buddies had bigger power banks than his. I'm not so happy with that, he writes. It bothered him. In the video below, he claims he could not sleep. So Handy Gang decided to change that by building the biggest power bank of all. What a monster. I got to feel like, man, I hope that thing is that safe? I don't know. He's powering a fridge, or TV. It might have been a freezer, a TV. Wow. So this is another one of these videos, building videos, making things videos, which are so satisfying to watch. I have my very own satisfying video as well that I provide, that we're going to get to here in a second. There's something about the accomplishment. I like this guy's warehouse too. It's pretty cool. So I guess he's got to put. What is this? Is it a car battery pack?
It looks like a car battery.
Originally, it must be, right? Because that portion of it looks like it was already put together before he started adding these posts and things to it. But anyway, yeah, he wins now. He can charge everything. Your charger sucks. Look at that. Bang. Bang.
I can just imagine him hauling this to his friend's house and be like, who won now? Who got this?
So how many, does it say any specs about how many milliamp hours it actually is? Or no? 27 million milliamp hour portable charger.
Not really portable.
That's equivalent to 900 normal-sized large power banks. It has 60 sockets. Are his friends impressed? That's the key.
Thumbs up. It's like, okay.
Thumbs up, but they look cold, though. They're not taking their jackets off, so maybe they can also use the battery to heat the place over there. Oh,
good on him.
Just charge the whole scooter, why don't you? It's just free charges for people around town.
He just lugs this around town, starts charging people's phones.
Bye.
I mean, he has it at a lake now.
That's good.
I feel like you don't need a battery that big for a TV, though.
No.
Oh, he's got to do the laundry as well. Okay.
He's fishing while he's doing laundry.
He's got to
bring his living room,
but then he's got to bring the dirty laundry to the lake as well.
That's true, yeah.
Plus, that lake's looking a little rough. Not gonna lie. I don't know. Oh, this looks good though. It turns into a cook. That's a
great video.
That's not where I saw this going. My goodness. All right. Well done, Handy Gang.
Yeah.
Shout out.